Fenderson. He's gonna see if he can get a Big Tom on video with his bow, which is no easy task. It's been raining all night. Birds are just starting to talk right now. So hopefully we'll be lucky. We'll be able to call one in. It's a new spot for us, so we've never hunted this place before. Came in under the guise of darkness. Set up this blind. Haven't got a clue. We just know the birds are coming out to this field. So if everything works out well, we call them in. But it's definitely going to be a calling game. If anybody can call them in, Nate will be able to put them on a string and reel them in. So let's see what happens.
Well, we got in here pretty early this morning, got set up. The birds don't seem to be on our side. We ain't heard one yet. I know they're gonna be here though. Doing some light calling and hopefully we'll be able to call them in, but right now they haven't appeared yet. I heard the crows going off, done a few calls. I think we heard a hen, but it's alright. Some reaping action's gonna happen. Kinds of feathers. Lighted knock still on. 2.5-inch rage. Just blew right through a big old Tom. He flew when he got over here. We watched him take off. And now we're gonna have to take him, go easy. I don't think he's going anywhere. He was hurt pretty bad. So he just made it to the wood line. And we're gonna go over there and see if we can't find our Tom. But Maine season, buck reap is in action. Go nice and easy when you're going to look for your game. Always give him a little bit of time. Me and Jake gave him some time while we were in the blind. We knew he went over here, and look what we got. There he is right there. He didn't go far at all. Let's go in and see what we got for a bird. Big old Tom. Man. Wow. As you can tell, it's a little wet this morning. Here's the mouth call. Me and Jake, we came in here this morning. This is a place that we haven't hunted before. Knew there was birds here. We get in here, and I'm like, these birds are gonna be roosted behind us. Nothing. We didn't hear a bird. So we're sitting there, we're debating whether or not we're gonna leave, come back, but we just know there's birds here. And all of a sudden, Jake said, well, let me try one more time before we go out. He pulled out his box call, he hit 3 calls, and this bird lit right up behind us. Actually, we thought it was in front of us, ended up being behind us. And he walked straight out to the decoy, 10-yard shot, and I was able to harvest him with my bow. Just an absolutely great Maine bird. He don't look too impressive right now because he's soaked, but I bet this bird right here probably weighs 23, 24 pounds. He is a monster bird. Probably 10 and a half, 10 and 3/4 inch beard, and he's got about probably 1 1/4 inch spurs on him. Just a magnificent bird. Very happy about it. Couldn't happen any better. He walked right in. You know, it's raining out, miserable conditions, but the reapers go after him. You just gotta be out there and make it happen. You know, hunting with a bow, just an added challenge. Very proud this morning of my accomplishment.